Listen, can you hear them? The drums are still speaking. Across oceans, across time, their rhythm never died. It lives in our heartbeats, in our laughter, in the way we rise after every fall. Our ancestors may be gone, but they never left us. They are the whisper in the wind, the fire in our spirit, the light that guides us home. From the sacred groves of Njo to the boardrooms of Manhattan, from the markets of Onitsha to the classrooms of London, the rhythm continues. We are not just survivors, we are storytellers, we are dreamers, we are builders of worlds. And when the world asks, "Who are you?" we will answer, "We are Igbo, we are the children of the rising sun." Because no matter how far we travel, no matter how loud the noise of modern life becomes, if you listen closely, the drums are still speaking.